Honestly, Paul, your hair does look wild today. It's kind of covering your ears and your eyes. What happened? Did you skip the barber shop for a few months?
You caught me. I just kept putting it off, and now I look like I should be hibernating. It's gotten so long I'm starting to feel like a friendly bear. I guess it's perfect timing though, since we're diving into the world of salons and barbers today.
Couldn't have planned it better myself. Going to the barber or salon is such a normal thing, but it has its challenges, especially if you don't know the words. Today, let's make it all feel easy.
I hope so. I need this. Maybe after today's talk, I won't feel so lost in the chair next time. By the way, before we get snipping, let's remind our listeners to subscribe and share maybe with a friend who needs a haircut as badly as I do.
So Paul, let's start with the basics. When you go for a haircut, where do you usually go, a barber shop or a salon?
I usually find myself at a barber shop, since it's more for men, but I always forget, what do you call the person who trims your hair? Is it stylist or hairdresser?
Good question. At a salon, it's usually a hairdresser or stylist. Barbers work at the barber shop, and they're pros with men's hair. Oh, and here's a useful tip. Do you book an appointment or just walk in?
I'm definitely a walk-in guy because I'm not great with planning. But now that you mention it, calling ahead for an appointment sounds way less stressful, especially with busy barbers. I'll try that next time.
When you finally sit down in that big barber chair, what's your go-to line when they ask, "What are we doing today?"
Honestly, I freeze up. I never know what to say, and I worry I'll walk out looking completely different. What should I say if I just want a little bit off?
That's where "just a trim, please" comes in handy. A trim means the barber will only take a small amount off, just enough to tidy things up. No dramatic changes.
Perfect. But today I think I need more than a trim. Maybe something short on the sides, a little longer on top. I hear that's a classic style, right?
You got it. And if you want an even more modern look, you could ask for a fade. That's when it's shorter at the bottom and gets longer towards the top. Very trendy these days.
That sounds stylish but not too extreme. Just don't give me a buzz cut. I want to avoid looking like I joined the army overnight.
Switching gears, Emily, what's it like when you go to the salon? Is it as relaxing as people say?
It really is. The best part is the hair wash. Sitting back, warm water, nice shampoo, and they always give this little head massage. It feels like a spa day for your scalp.
That's amazing. I always wondered about those special sinks. Are they comfortable or a bit awkward?
The neck part can be tricky, but the relaxing feeling more than makes up for it. After washing, we talk about how I want my haircut, maybe add some color, or get those highlights that make it look sun-kissed.
Highlights? That's a good word. They're those lighter streaks, right? I might call my grays silver highlights. From now on, sounds fancier. I have to admit, describing what I want is always tricky. How do you explain your style without getting lost in all those hair terms?
It's a common struggle, even for native speakers. The easiest thing is to bring a photo. Find a picture of the style you like online and show it to your barber or hairdresser. That way, there's less confusion.
Wow, that's a smart move. I always thought they might find it weird, but if they like it, even better. Maybe I'll bring in a photo of George Clooney next time.
Go for it. The George Clooney is a classic request. Pictures really are a lifesaver when words get tricky.
Hair isn't the only thing people care for at salons. What about manicures and pedicures? Are those really for everyone?
Definitely. Everyone has nails and hands. A manicure just means cleaning and shaping your nails, maybe adding some polish if you like colors. Even if you don't, a simple buff can make your nails look healthy and neat.
I can't stand when my nails snag on my clothes, so that nail file sounds handy. And pedicures are just as much about comfort, right? Especially with that foot soak.
Absolutely. Warm water, a little massage, and your feet feel brand new. It's about feeling good, not just looking good. Self-care is for everyone. Fresh hair, clean nails, you walk taller out of the shop.
It's true. After a haircut, I always have this boost of confidence. I feel like I could take on anything. And I've heard the barbershop can be a great place to practice English, too.
That's so real. People chat about sports, news, or life. Don't worry about your English, just jump into conversation. It's good practice and part of the cultural fun.
Quick keyword review. Barber shop or salon for the place. Barber or hairdresser for the person. Trim for a little cut. Buzz cut for very short. Dye for changing color. And don't forget that all-important photo.
Exactly. Armed with those words, you'll feel much more confident walking in. And Paul, I expect to see your fresh new look next time.
Deal. I'll be a new person. Listeners, Thanks for joining us. Let us know in the comments if you like long hair or short hair and share your own salon stories.
And if you enjoyed this episode, hit subscribe, give us a like, and share it with a friend. We love hearing from you. Have a beautiful day and see you next time.